Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the based Shiba Inu token. Ticker symbol is Bshib. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, March 22nd, on a very big central exchange. I saw this token trending a few days ago on Dex Screener and Dex Tools, doing very well, this token here. And now they got this new central exchange listing and maybe others as well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, based Shiba. Get ready for the possum adventure with based Shiba. So this is on the base chain, you know, well, it's fairly new. It's not new, but the fairly new Coinbase chain called the base chain. It says, get ready for a possum adventure with based Shiba, the newest sensation on the Base blockchain. Embracing the spirit of memes and good vibes, based Shiba is not just a token, it's a community-driven movement that's here to shake things up in the crypto world. Join us. So you can get this token in a couple different ways. So you can get this token off of Uniswap. And they have a step-by-step how to buy page, or how to buy section on their webpage. Get some ETH, bridge your ETH, switch your base ETH for based Shiba. They go step-by-step on their webpage. But yeah, basically you need like a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet might be ideal, because there you go, Base, Coinbase, it's their own wallet, it's their own chain. So yeah, you could use a Coinbase wallet, fund it with ETH, and then you bridge the ETH to the base chain, and then you go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then use that base, and use the contract address that you could find on basedshibainu.com and trade your base for the Shiba Inu token. But you can follow the steps on their webpage, and you can also see a chart on their webpage. Click on that. It'll take you over to Dex Tools. Now, on Dex Tools, it'll tell you also if there is any taxes, so if you'll have to set slippage or not. So it says here, no taxes, so you will not have to worry too much about slippage. Now they have a $13.15 million market cap, 11,340 holders, so they're doing very well. 24-hour trading volume today is $12.85 million. And that could be because they just got a brand new central exchange listing today on Bitmart. So that's another way to get this token. You could download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Get it on your PC. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search Bshib. And then simply just buy the token. So it got listed at 11 a.m. today, March 22nd, so it is already available on there. You don't have to like wait or anything. It's up there now. So that's Bitmart's not always available in everyone's country either. So if it's not, you can just use Uniswap, or there could be other exchanges now or in the future coming as well. And they'll tell you like on listing sites too, like CoinMarketCap, or if you follow this Twitter right here at Based Shiba Inu, they're going to have announcements. You can see how brand new this project is. March 2024, they just joined Twitter. 4,728 followers on their Twitter. They have a link to their Telegram there at Based Shiba Inu. Link to their webpage, basedshibainu.com. And 270 tweets, so very active. In their pinned tweet there, you could also find their contract address as well. So they just announced this Bitmart listing, and there may be other listings if I just scroll. I mean, you could scroll through their Twitter. But yeah, lots of updates on here. Lots of holders in just a very short amount of time. A lot of these Solana meme tokens and Base meme tokens are very popular these days. And their Telegram has 4,167 members, 333 of them online. That's a great place to join the conversation with other people in the Based Shiba Inu community. Talk to them, see updates, things like that. On their webpage, there's tons of links to Uniswap and stuff as well. Real easy to get this token. At Based Shiba, we believe in bringing joy and excitement to the Base network. Our mission is to create a vibrant and inclusive community where members can unleash their creativity, share positive vibes, and ride the crypto wave together. Ready to embark on a thrilling adventure with Based Shiba? Join our community and social media, participate in events, and become part of the Based Network revolution. Why Based Shiba? Well, it's community driven. We're not just building a token, we're fostering a community. Join Based Shiba's pack and be part of a lively group of crypto enthusiasts who appreciate the lighter side of blockchain technology. We have Base Blockchain Vibes. Based Shiba is proudly calling Base Network its home. We're here to add a splash of color to the blockchain scene and create memorable experiences for our community. Based Shiba isn't just another token, it's a movement that celebrates the joy of decentralized finance. It says no taxes, liquidity locked, contract ownership renounced. It's that simple. Total supply, 10 billion tokens. They have the how to buy on their page. So they have 62.09 pooled ETH in Uniswap, which is equivalent to 160.83 pooled Bshib tokens. They have a DEX score of 94 out of 99 and a community trust score of 100% out of 112 votes. And yes, go check this token out on DEX Screener. Check it out on DEX Tools. Check out their socials. You can find it on Uniswap, and you can find it on Bitmart. So go have a look. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about the Bshib token? If there's any meme coins on Base or Solana or just any other tokens you guys want me to do videos on, you could always leave a comment down there. Sometimes if it's a super unknown token, I'll probably not do a video on it. But if it's fairly popular, I probably will. So leave a comment down there. Let me know what you guys want to see. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.